Hi everyone, welcome back. Connected your feeds, set up categories, and explored the transaction screen. Great progress. Now it's time for step 5, build your first budget. Budgets are the foundation of your financial plan in PocketSmith. They help you track spending, forecast future cash flow, and make confident decisions. In this video, I'll show you how to create budgets manually on the budget page, explain each setting, and share some best practices. Onboarding. To keep things simple, here's where we are in your onboarding journey. 5. Build your first budget. Budgets are managed on the budget page. To get there, click Budget at the top main menu. You'll see a list of all your existing budgets and an option to create new ones. To start, click New Budget in the top left corner. Let's walk through the budget form and its advanced options. What is this budget for? Select the category this budget applies to. How much? Enter the budget amount. Select if this is an expense or income. Does this budget repeat? Tick the box if the budget reoccurs regularly. Then choose the frequency, days, weekdays, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, or yearly. Budget start date. If this is your first time, I recommend backdating by 3 months for better reporting and initial insights. Budget end date. Leave open unless the budget is temporary or ends. What account is this budget for? Choose the account where most of the spending or income occurs. Do you want this budget to roll over? Appears only if rollover budgets are enabled. Leave unticked for now if there is an option. This is a transfer. Avoid ticking this for now. It removes the amount from the calculation in the income and expense report. This is a bill or scheduled income. Tick if the full amount is spent or received on a specific date. Leave unticked to spread evenly. Budget note. Add reminders or context. Select a colour. Use colours to visually organise your budget. Here's how to create your first budget. Go to Budgets, New Budgets. Select the category. Enter the amount. Choose a frequency and start date. Assign the account. Add notes and colours if you like. Click Save. Your budget will now appear on the budget page and in your calendar view. Best practice. Backdate any new budget with a start date of 3 months earlier. Choose the account with the majority of activity. Add notes for clarity. Use colour coding to organise categories. Common mistakes to avoid. Ticking the transfer unnecessarily. Misusing the bill or scheduled income box. Setting unrealistic amounts without reviewing your past spending. That's it for creating budgets. Your next step is to set up budgets for your top spending categories and make sure they reflect your real habits. In the next module, we'll look at reports you actually use and how your budgets feed into insights and forecasting. See you there.